Hey everybody, I just wanted to give a quick video on three little features that we've updated over the past couple of days so you guys can take a look at this. I'm looking at a transaction details screen here, and specifically the first feature is in regards to dates and the ability to add a duration to a transaction date. So if I come in here and create a date, I'm just going to call this new date, and we're going to go ahead and add a time. And let's say this takes place at 10 a.m. And then now you have the ability to select the duration. So if we feel like this is going to be a 45-minute appointment, or for whatever reason this particular date takes 45 minutes, we'll go ahead and set that. Then when we click save, this new date will start at 10 a.m. and it will also have a 45-minute duration when it is pushed or synced with your calendar. Additionally, if you invite calendar send out a calendar invite. Of course, that invite will have a block of 45 minutes. We've also added the duration drop down here. So if I go ahead and change this to 60 minutes, I can do that just simply from this screen. It will also, by the way, update your calendars and send a calendar invite update as well, so everything stays current. The second feature is when you move items around. This is true when you're in the attachments tab or task tab, anywhere you can essentially have folders. We now have the ability to create a new folder when you move an item. So I'll show you what I mean. I've selected this new date. I'm going to go ahead and move to a new folder. And historically speaking, you only had the option to select folders that were currently in existence. Now you have the ability to add a new folder. So I'm just going to say my new folder. And when I click create, it will actually create it and move whatever items I was trying to move at the time. So that will be a time saver for some of you. And then let's see, last but not least, when we create an email, when you go ahead and click the attach team files, this is where you have the opportunity to select files that already exist in the transaction. We have now renamed these so that if it's just a file, it will include the file name. However, if it's a placeholder, it will display the placeholder name, not the file name. If you do want to see the file name, you can hover over the file itself so you can see exactly what the file is called. But it's just a little confusing when you get crazy file names. You upload them to the transaction, and you've got all these nice placeholder names that keep everything organized. It was just hard for people to understand, okay, which file am I actually selecting? So anyway, hopefully that is helpful to many of you. That's it for today. I hope this is helpful. But of course, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please email us at support@aframesoftware.com. Thanks.